Welcome to Whittier, Alaska with Sea Leg Journeys aboard the Majestic Princess.
Good morning. It is 3:30 a.m. Saturday morning, May the 20th. We landed in Whittier after midnight last night. I thought, before I come up here, there's nobody around. This was like 3:30 in the morning in Whittier. Let's see what we got. We got much colder weather, much colder. I'm wearing a jacket, look at that. And as you can see from here, it's raining. That's right, it's a cold and rainy morning. It's gonna be a fun day, exciting day. We're gonna take our 9-hour train ride from Whittier this morning up to Denali Lodge, Denali Princess Lodge. I hear a lot of trucks and forklifts and stuff. Let's go over here and see if we can see what's going on. While the passengers are sleepy, the crew is not. I see forklifts running. I see semi-trucks. Lots of them. There is a lot going on at 3:30 in the morning when a cruise ship is docked. Look at that. Yes, it is much colder today. This is by far the coldest day we've had since we've been up here in Alaska. But we'll be on the train, so I'm sure it'll be cozy in there. They got the pool net covered up, covering up the pool so nobody goes swimming this morning. I'm not sure who's going to go swimming, but let's see what's on the other side. The other side, it is pitch black over there. Nothing you've seen there. All the activity on the other side of the ship. But I just want to say that we've had a great time so far. We're really looking forward to what's going to go on today, our big train ride. And I think when we get there, we're going to have supper. And from there, we're going to be taking off on a covered wagon to eat supper. We won't go back to the lodge until after midnight. I'm pretty sure that's the schedule for today. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be fun. Come on with us. Okay, y'all. We're down here on deck 5 in the piazza. We're getting ready to go on the train in about an hour, but we had to stop down and get some breakfast. Let me show you what we had this morning. Look at this. Some bacon, cheese, and ham. With muffin. Yeah. And a chocolate donut. Yeah. And what is Sea Leg Journeys having?
Coffee. Because there's no gluten-free breakfast for me down there.
No gluten-free breakfast. We're at the International Cafe. And we absolutely are not going to get up to Lido Deck.
Yeah. It's not going to happen.
Whittier. That's our train coming to get us. Came from down yonder.
support this channel, please consider becoming a member. Or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.